What's our intro? Hey, welcome back to Ponderosa Garden Adventures.
What's Up Wednesday?
Hey, it's Wednesday. What's up, Mark?
It's What's Up Wednesday. Welcome back to Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Today we're going to be telling you about our plans for our spring cleanup and prep and getting ready for spring planting.
Right. We're going to be doing some weeding. We're doing a lot of mulching. Not only suppresses the weeds, and it's that time of year to do that, it makes everything look great when you're done.
Later on in the summer, it's going to help hold moisture in. So now's the time to get on that mulch.
Right. We've got a garden haul coming up. We went to Lowe's a couple days ago and grabbed a bunch of great color, all the annuals, a few perennials, and we're going to get those in. And I'll give you a seedling update. And I'm getting ready to plant up Windsor. And what else, Mom?
Well, I'm working on cornfields. I've got some hot peppers, some mild peppers, some bell peppers, some basil, and I also got some snapdragon.
I've got a seedling update coming up. My seedlings are getting big enough. I'm ready to plant some of those out. I'm getting ready to do round 3 of seeds, so we'll go through that. And then we've got front yard we've been working on, and we had some legacy plants that we had to pull out that didn't make it, and so we're going to kind of give it a new look.
Removing a very large hibiscus plant that had been there for several decades. But it was time for it to go. It had actually been eaten out by gophers.
Yeah.
So all of a sudden, stopped producing, stopped leafing. So that was that, but we've got some roses to go in there. We've got, again, lots more mulch. We've got a little tidying up of our roses, a little bit of rust and stuff that needs to be sprayed. We're looking at maybe ladybugs.
Right.
Help with the aphids.
Right. We do. I did find some aphids out there, so it's time to do that. And then we are looking at changing up. We're still discussing what we're going to do. I had to take out some purple fountain grass. It should have been divided last season or possibly even the season before. And so that had to come out, and we've completely cleared that front parkway in front of our little white picket fence on the other side of the roses in the front yard. And so that's the area between the roses and the sidewalk. And so we're playing with some ideas of what we're going to do in there. So we may get a start on that as well.
Obviously, this is the front of the house. It's the first impression. So we're taking our time on it, and we have a couple interesting ideas design-wise. What else are we doing out front? More mulch? I think I said that already.
Yeah, we've done some mulching, and I've got a couple of plants that have been in pots for a season or two, and it's time. We were testing out. Is this the right spot? Do they like the location? Is the microclimate right for those particular plants? And so some of those we're going to actually plant in the ground. One of those is a potato bush. It's on actually this. It had its sleep and creep, and this is its leap year. It is just bursting and coming out of the pot, and we are ready to go ahead and plant that in the ground on the other side of our driveway. So that's another one. So I think that's a lot going on. And so we just wanted to give you a look at what we're doing this week. That's what What's Up Wednesday is for, and what's coming up.
One more big update is the artichoke. So we planted an artichoke. Actually, we planted 3 of them, 2 in pots, and we planted 1 in the ground a year ago, last April, and it is now producing its first artichoke. And the big news is, just yesterday I noticed it's actually a second artichoke is coming up. Artichokes are actually a flower. It's a thistle.
Right.
And so these 2 big thistles are coming up. So this is one of those rewards of gardening. It's taken a year of nurturing this thing. Finally, give us an artichoke. So we're going to let that blossom. I've been taking photographs of that so you can see what an artichoke looks like while it's blossoming. On the other hand, we have the artichoke are right next to the asparagus, and it looks like the asparagus may not have survived the dry, hot Santa Ana conditions we had over the fall and winter. So I will be planting some more asparagus. I bought 6 new plants. I was hoping that this would be in addition to those, but I haven't seen anything coming up. So it's possible
Well, we'll see.
we'll be starting over. But anyway, watch for updates on the asparagus lane. We just finished moving some pineapple plants, and we're going to be putting in.
I've got berries coming. I've got my blueberry plant is doing great. The raspberry from last year is coming back, and I've got a new blueberry plant and a raspberry plant we're going to be planting. So, but we're so glad you joined us here for What's Up Wednesday. Let us know in the comments, what are you doing this week in your garden, and where is your garden? What zone are you in? We're in zone 10A, and so we've got great weather here, and we hope you will watch the videos we've got coming up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already.
A gorgeous day here in the middle of April. Thanks for joining us here on Ponderosa Garden Adventures.
See you next time.
All right, so.
Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. Blaze is calling.
God.
Oh, my God. Sorry, he's calling from Canada.
I know. So perfect. The timing. The timing. We have it on. We have it